Hey YouTube, this is Sun Prepper One. This is a short test to see if you're in a location where you could probably survive what's coming, and that's an economic collapse. If you have an economic collapse, you're probably going to have an increase in crime and a lot of other social issues. But this is a simple test. It's before 7 o'clock in the morning, and if you can come outside your house and you can hear roosters, your rooster, maybe your neighbor's roosters, other people's roosters, that's a good sign that you're in a good location. So I'm hearing no human commotion at all out there. Hearing nothing. I don't know if the phone is picking this up, but that was one of my neighbor's roosters. My rooster's been going off, and then in that direction, someone else has chickens. I don't know who, but then there's other people that have them that I can't hear them from my location. But that's a good simple test. If you can go and come out in the morning about 7 o'clock, 7 a.m., and if you hear nothing other than roosters, you're probably in a great location. Now, I don't want to discourage you. You could be in the city, you can be in the suburbs. I'm not trying to discourage you. Simple test. I heard another one farther away. Another one. Here in our crows, we actually feed the crows. They're coming in for breakfast, and I haven't put anything out there. Right there on top of that post, we feed them, and they're awesome. We've had 5 crows sitting over there eating at one time. That's the most we've had. So this is a simple test. Are you in a location that will give you every advantage to survive what's coming? And it's coming. I'm talking to more and more people that are struggling. I cannot believe it. They're just struggling. I'm not going to get into that. This video is just walk outside your house at right before 7 a.m. and listen. Are you in the best possible place? If you're not, do the best wherever you are. Flourish where you're planted. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.